Good morning, everybody. We are beginning week 8. So here's week 8. We have the rough draft that's due on the 21st. Use your annotated bibliography to create a skeleton of your essay and identify and hone in onto where you're going to be going in this essay and revise your working thesis to make it a little more specific. We do have a plagiarism unit. The quote-unquote unit is going to a website, watching videos, reading web pages, and taking an online quiz. At that point, you will take a screenshot and upload that screenshot to the Dropbox so that you can get credit for taking the quiz. The Writing Center Reflection is where you go to the LCC Writing Center and get advice on your rough draft. You can also go there for brainstorming ideas, annotated bibliography ideas, grammar, any other writing-related issue is what the Writing Center is helpful for. We also have a second rough draft, and then we have a final rough draft. That final draft is due in 12 days when I get to see you in person. Please know that between each draft, revisions have to be made. So there should be revisions between each draft, between the rough draft and the second draft, between the second draft and the final draft. Please reach out if you have any questions.